How to create your own Shopify trial account. What is Shopify? Shopify is a cloud based e commerce platform that allows businesses to create online stores and sell products or services. To begin, what you need to do here is you can open your browser and type in shopify.com. When you click or when you go to the website, it will automatically provide you here a box where you will need to input your email address for you to start your free trial account. Once you hit on start free trial, there are a few informations that Shopify will ask you for them to get to know more about you and more about your business. Okay. And here you will also need to input your store name. So that when you will be creating your own online store, Shopify will automatically have your name on it as your store. You also input the location, and you will also need to create your own Shopify ID by inputting your email address and also your password. Okay, once you have your password ready, you can just click on Create Shopify, and then Shopify will now be creating your online store. Just need to wait for it to load up. And here you go, you already have your own Shopify trial account. Just to let you know, the trial account is only good for 3 days for you to enjoy. So if you have decided to purchase a Shopify account or plan, you can go ahead and do so. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.